Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to add a PayPal account to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on Settings in the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, select Payments from the left-hand menu. This is your central hub for managing all payment providers, offering a clear overview of available options. You are now ready to set up PayPal. To enable PayPal Express Checkout, locate it under Supported Payment Methods and click Activate. Shopify will then redirect you to PayPal's secure site. Enter your PayPal account credentials there, usually your email, address, and password. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant Shopify permission to connect. This process ensures a secure and direct link between your store and your PayPal business account, typically taking less than 1 minute. Once you return to Shopify, confirm that PayPal Express Checkout is listed as active in your payment settings. This confirms a successful connection. Next, double-check your store's currency setting to ensure it perfectly aligns with your PayPal account currency. For example, United States dollars. Mismatched currencies could lead to issues or additional conversion fees for your customers, so this step is crucial for efficient operations. Before going live, perform a test purchase on your Shopify store using a low-value product. Add an item to your cart, proceed to checkout, and select PayPal as your payment method. Complete the transaction to ensure everything processes smoothly from a customer's perspective. If you encounter any problems, verify your PayPal account status or consult Shopify's comprehensive help documentation. You can also reach out to Shopify support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.